just came out of Blacksburg, Roanoke. Here we have Ace. He is a 2-year-old miniature Schnauzer. He's coming in training with other complaints of lots of pulling on the leash, also barking when he sees any new distractions. So if he sees a dog out in public, sees a new person out in public, he's barking at them. It makes it really tough for people to come up to him and pet him, just because he is barking at them and it scares some people. So also here for basic obedience as well. Let's see what he will do for us with a drop off. Ace, can you come? Come. There you go. He said. Good. Good. Down. Ace down. Down. Ace down. Good. It's down. There you go. Good. Ace come. Come. Yes. He said. Good boy. Good. Down. Ace down. Down. Ace down. Down. Ace down. You got it down. Good boy. There you go. Ace, please. Please. There you go. Good. He said. Lay down on that. Lay down. Lay down. I'm going to do it on there. All right. Just try it. Exactly. Ace, you. Come on, heel. Heel. Come on. Ace, heel. 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 Not quite. Ace, heel. Come on. Heel. No, for that one. All right. So it doesn't look like he has an understanding of come, sit down, and maybe place as well. Definitely doesn't have an understanding of heel. Also had to ask him multiple times for a couple of things. So looking at to work on the impulse control. That's what we're going to be working on for the next 14 days. Stay tuned to see Ace's transformation. Ace, man, come on, man. Yeah.
Ace, come.